Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Once your unit is properly installed, you can place the flame spreader on each burner. If you look under the flame spreader, you will notice the cutout that should be aligned with each burner location to ensure that each one is placed in the right location. Take notice of the text on top of the flame spreader, such as AUX, SR, R, and UR. You will need to reference those texts when placing the burner caps. Once the flame spreader is in position, you can place the burner cap. If you look under the burner cap, you should see text such as AUX, SR, R, and UR. Each one of these should match the same text as the one on the flame spreader. If you installed the burner cap in the right location, then there should be very little movement. If you received the wrong flame spreader and/or burner cap, please follow the quick start guide or contact Whirlpool for replacement parts.